guys are just like me, then you know the struggle of looking at the exact same boring layout in your Premiere Pro each and every single day. So that's why I'm gonna teach you exactly how I change the colors of my entire layout for Adobe Premiere Pro so you can spice things up a little bit and make it so it's actually attractive to your eyes. And my name is Torsten Roscoe, and without further ado, let's get right into this video. So you guys can see in the bottom left here, each and every single one of my tracks is whites. My color mat is white, my audio layer is white, and if I just drag on here, over here, you can see that it's automatically white instead of those boring label colors like before. Now, the way I did this, super easy and simple. I just went into Premiere Pro, hit settings, and then I went into labels. Now, the way this works is pretty simple. You have your label defaults over here. So the label default is essentially the default color that when you drag on to your layer, that movie track, audio track, adjustment layer, anything that you grab onto, that layer is gonna be that color. Now you can see I have mine all set to white, and then I just made them all the rest of white because I don't know why Premiere Pro does this, they need to fix it, but it's like a bug. Even though I have this all set to white, and if I changed all these colors to different colors, it still wouldn't be just pure white. The one I had down here is pure white. So just make them all the exact same color. You can make it all white like I did. You can make it all like blue, purple, whatever your liking is, you can do it. Or you can come down here, and if you don't even like that, you can just click on one of the pre-made ones that are done for you. So if I hit okay, now these are all gonna be pre-colored for me. If I go into Premiere Pro, I go into settings and I go to label. And then if I want it back, I can just hit my white and then boom. And it actually looked like it didn't even save. I accidentally forgot to save that. Make sure when you're doing this, you come into labels, you change these all, and then you hit, I think it's this one right here. Yeah. You hit this like little download thing, you hit save, and then it'll save it. And then each and every single time you come into here, you can do it. Now you can actually make the UI interface a different color. I see a lot of people use this like light, which I don't know why you would use this. It's ugly as hell, but hey, I'm not judging. You can use dark, and then you can also go darkest. And then if you want everything to pop even more, like these lines and everything, so these lines like right over here, you can see when I turn it on, like all these lines, just the contrast is more, like you can see down here. If I turn it off, everything's just a lot brighter. It's a lot vibrant. That'll help you out just a little too if you like that appearance. I personally don't use it, but I think I'm gonna start using it now because I like the way this looks. Now, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out, and it's going to help you out in the future, especially when it comes to video editing, because I drop 3 to 2 videos each and every single week on video editing just like this and more. And if you guys actually want to learn how I created this reel right here on here, go click this video right over here. It's a full breakdown / masterclass. I'll teach you every single thing I know on how to create videos just like this. Very aesthetic, super easy to make. And I actually just made this in like a few simple clicks. So make sure to go look at that video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.